In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo the correct way. Whether you're tidying up your contacts or clearing out unnecessary data, this process will guide you through each step to ensure you're doing it efficiently and accurately. First and foremost, we're going to begin by creating a list specifically for the profiles you want to delete. Starting from the dashboard, look over to the left panel and you'll find Audience. Click on that and then select Lists and Segments. This is where you can manage all your profiles and contacts effectively. You'll need to create a new list. Now, the name of this list isn't of great importance, but try to pick something memorable or indicative of the profiles you intend to delete. This small step will help avoid any confusion later on, as organizing with distinctive names can often save time during review. Once your new list is set up, you need to populate it with the profiles you wish to remove. Simply add all those profiles to this newly created list. This part is crucial because it helps Klaviyo understand which specific profiles you're targeting for deletion. Make sure you double-check that you've included all necessary profiles to ensure none are missed out. Now that we have the list in place, it's time to proceed to the deletion phase. To do this, direct your attention to the bottom left of your screen, where your company name appears. Click on it and a menu will open. From here, select Settings. Within the Settings area, you'll find multiple tabs, but the one we are interested in is the Others tab. Click on it and scroll down to the Profile Maintenance section. This is the area where all the magic happens. Within Profile Maintenance, look for an option that says Delete People and click it. You'll need to select the specific list you created earlier. By choosing this list, you're instructing Klaviyo to remove only those profiles included in it. After making sure you've selected the correct list, confirm the action, and those profiles will be deleted from your Klaviyo profiles list. That's all you need to do. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully cleaned up your database by removing unwanted profiles, ensuring your Klaviyo account remains organized and efficient. Remember, regular maintenance like this can help improve your overall data management and audience targeting efforts. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.